In a stunning turn of events, Mike Chimombe and Moses Mpofu, notable partners of Scott Saupanya's 40 million ballot paper printing tender for the 2023 elections, have found themselves at the center of an explosive controversy, arriving at Robert Gabriel International Airport on an Emirates flight. The Jew was swiftly escorted through the VIP section by officers from Zimbabwe Central Intelligence Organization (CIO), led by Walter Tafumane, the Deputy Director General and the head of the ruling FAZ. Sana bena mashoko, amranyu kwa mzara nas not for subscribe or like on the bell icon. This revelation aligns with the observation from the Southern African Development Committee SADC mission, which highlighted that the low supply of ballots compromised the election's integrity. The accusations from Chimombe and Mpofu add weight to these concerns, suggesting a deliberate manipulation of ballots available to influence the election outcome. As the scandal unfolds, the credibility of Zimbabwe's 2023 elections hangs in the balance, with the potential far-reaching implications for the country's political future. The coming days are expected to reveal more about the extent of the alleged electoral malpractice and the key players involved. Ashperi mushe muri Zimbabwe nokuda kuti aiwa chokwadi chese chakubuda evidence yekuti aiwa the 40 million tender yakapiwa vana Mike Chimombe nana Scott Sakupwanya yakubuda pachena se evidence yanga iri chiri kufambirwa ne aiwa organization ye SADC just kuona kuti why is it my elections in 2023 they were flawed, ma ballot papers they were not in full supply, mamwe aitoshota awa chipotudze mafungiro enyu kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi pinanga comment section medu, so no subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.